sewing on a large piece, such as an ear, I use upholstery thread when hand stitching. I try to choose a needle with an eye hole that is as small as possible to allow the thread to go smoothly through and not get trapped. If the eye of the needle is very large, it will be harder to bring the thread through the fabric. I try to keep the seam allowance consistent unless I'm intentionally trying to get a certain shape of curvature from the ear to the head. It also helps after pinning to use water-soluble pen to draw the stitch line directly onto the head fabric. I pull the thread very tightly